Hi guys, first video demo up. It's a Moleskine assignment number 1. We are going to find an object in your house and do a plan, like a top view and 2 side views of it. And you probably got all kinds of things in your house. I know I do. Got some paste picante salsa. Oh, some tacky glue. Everyone's got that in their kitchen. One of our beloved little guys here. Remember him? Sob sob. Reminds me of studio. Oh, here's something simple enough and interesting enough to work on. It's a pencil sharpener. Doesn't work very well for sharpening pencils, but I think it might be really good for this exercise. So what I want is a side view. See, it's kind of like a torpedo shape a little bit, and some sort of side view, and then also kind of a top view. Now, the view I'm going to draw first is the shape that is most distinctive. So instead of drawing the plan first, I'm going to draw the top first. So I'm going to observe it carefully with my hands and with my eyes. Then I'm going to try and draw this. This isn't easy because I'm somewhere behind the camera. So now I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to draw in a red pencil. I'll be going over it in pen later, so I'll be able to take a photo and send it to my professor. So I'm just sort of looking at the object. I'll try and hold it so you can see it and I can see it at the same time. Not exactly easy. So it's just a freehand drawing, so I'm not going to freak out. I know some of you like to. Think you can't draw freehand. I'm just trying to get the shape about right. Seems like it's about like this. It has kind of like a flat base to it. And then there's sort of a silver bit here. See that? Which is going to have a hole in it. So basically that's what the side view kind of looks like. In order to draw the top, I'm going to use the plan. I'm going to use the elevation to find the top of it. I'm going to see how, oh, it's quite fat. So I'm actually going to draw that quite fat up here. And I'm going to take this point up, and that's where it's actually slightly curved. See that little curved bit there? I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm going to project up this sort of square here, roughly with the hole in it, which is where the pencil goes in. So it looks like that from the top. Now from the side, I'm going to project the elevation, and I'm going to sort of make sure that it's the same size from the side. Maybe I should have done the other side. It's more interesting. Sort of too late now though. Sorry. Here we go. So the side sort of looks like that. Okay. I am going to, so I just blocked it out in pencil. Now what I'm going to do is go over a pen so I can send it to my professor. Like take a photo or do a little Adobe scan or something. So I'm just sort of going over it with my Papermate Flair or the fabulous darker pen of your choice. It's a little set of drawings. It's freehand, so I'm not going to get too fussy about it. What I'm never going to do is erase, because I want to show my professor that I understand the relationship between the parts of this drawing. There it is. If I wanted it to look even more fabulous, I might even, I'm doing this pretty quickly. I don't need you to spend a lot of time on these Moleskine exercises. They're just for you to understand the real exercise that we're going to do, okay? Maybe I'm going to just sort of shade this in gray so that you can see the object with me here. Moleskine exercises are just warm-ups for what we're really going to do. There we go. Kaboom. Maybe what I will do is just sort of show you how that dimension kind of got carried around to that one. There it is. Pencil sharpener number 1 by and Pat. So even though I drew the elevation first, because it was the most obvious to draw. And then this is a plan or a top view, and this is another elevation. Okay, got it? Boom. Assignment number 1.